Hello guys, this is Mohammed Rafiq with you. In this tutorial, let me show you how to fix the issue, which is while you try to connect USB to serial device to your Windows 11 computer and the device not working or not responding, and you are getting the error in Device Manager says that PL2303TA does not support Windows 11 or later. Please contact your supplier. So, let me show you how to fix it. First, let me show you the error. Here, I will open Device Manager first. Now I will connect my device to computer USB port. Now you can see that under Ports, COM, and LPT, it shows that PL2303TA does not support Windows 11 or later. Please contact your supplier. Now, if I try to update the driver, it shows that the best drivers for your device are already installed, and the driver name, Prolific USB to Serial COM port. So, for fixing this issue, you have to download and install older version of Prolific USB to Serial COM driver. For that, I tried many online links, nothing worked. Finally, I found this D-Link website for downloading Prolific driver. You can find this web link on video description. Once you are here, just scroll down bottom of the page. Here you can see PL2303 Prolific Drive Installer, version 1.18 exe file. Just click Download. Select the location where you want to save. Okay, now the file downloaded. Go to the downloaded folder, click on it to install. Okay, now the USB to serial driver started the installation. Just wait for some times to get it finish. Okay, now the installation completed. Click on Finish. Now if I go back to Device Manager, you can see that error still here. If I remove the USB and connect back to computer, but the error still here. So now what you have to do is just right-click on it, then click on Update Driver. Then click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Here, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Next, here, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. That program which we just installed is actually putting drivers on there, and you know if you see something like this where it shows manufacturer or model, make sure that a Show Compatible Hardware is checked, and then all you're going to have to do is find the one that we just installed, which is in this case is the old one from the 2017, so click on that, then click on Next. Okay, now it shows Windows has successfully updated your driver. And here, under Ports, COM, and LPT, you can see that the error is no more, and it shows that Prolific USB to Serial COM driver without any error. Now your device should work properly without any issues. That's all, guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.